Imagine owning a historic 1800s homestead where hardwood floors, natural light, and peaceful acreage create the perfect rural escape. Set at the end of a quiet, dead-end road in North Anson, this mostly restored estate sits on over 7+ serene acres, offering privacy, charm, and the opportunity to complete a timeless Maine classic. Environment ready for your personal finishing touches. Recent improvements enhance comfort and efficiency, including a new heat pump, pellet stove, hot water tank, and additional system updates. While much of the restoration work has been completed, the home still offers room for finishing projects, an excellent opportunity to build equity while tailoring the space to your vision. Outside, the property invites a true homestead lifestyle. A fenced 1-acre garden provides space to grow your own food, while the classic barn offers endless possibilities for storage, hobbies, livestock, or workshop use. Behind the barn, river access adds a peaceful natural feature perfect for relaxing afternoons or exploring the outdoors. An additional parcel conveys with the sale, expanding your possibilities even further. Some materials already on site may assist with future improvements, and select furnishings are negotiable, helping simplify the transition. Whether you dream of restoring a historic farmhouse, creating a self-sufficient homestead, or simply enjoying the quiet beauty of rural Maine, this North Anson property offers history, potential, and peaceful country living in one remarkable setting.